This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing Reaper to use the lowest reliable audio latency. Go to Preferences, Audio, Device, and choose your ASIO driver. ASIO gives consistent, low-latency performance. Set the project sample rate to 44,100 or 48,000, then drop the buffer to 64 or 128 samples to reduce round-trip time. Once done, disable software monitoring and unused inputs to free CPU. This first pass cuts the biggest delay. It's the quickest way to see immediate improvement. Next, dive into the ASIO control panel and lower the buffer incrementally while testing for X runs. Balance between lower latency and stable audio. Once done, freeze or render CPU-heavy tracks and bypass, or replace high-latency plugins with low-latency alternatives during tracking. Make sure Reaper's plugin delay compensation is enabled so timing stays correct when you re-enable plugins. If you need more headroom, enable multi-core processing and increase disk cache. These changes help while keeping late. Finish by measuring true latency. Preferences Audio Buffering Test Recording Latency. Follow the test to get the sample offset value. Once done, apply that offset in project settings or in the track input recording offset field so recorded audio lines up perfectly. If you still hear delay or clicks, update or reinstall your audio driver, try a different driver mode, WASAPI or direct sound, as a fallback. And check background apps. Wi-Fi or heavy CPU tasks can reintroduce latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.